Welcome to Cyntoons. Today we are going to learn about shapes. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello friends! I'm a circle. I'm round and I have no edges. I look like the sun, a ball or even a plate. You can roll me and I'm fun to play with. Hi there! I'm a square. I have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. I look like a window, a book, or a chessboard. I'm strong and stable, just like you. Hello! I'm a triangle. I have 3 sides and 3 pointy corners. I look like a slice of pizza or a roof on a house. I'm sharp and fun to draw. Hello! Hi friends! I'm a rectangle. I have 4 sides, 2 long and 2 short. I look like a door, a book, or a table. I'm useful and very practical. My friend. Hello, I'm a star. I have 5 pointy sides and I shine in the sky. I look like a star on Christmas trees or in the night sky. I love to sparkle. Hi friends, I'm a heart. I show love and care for everyone. I look like a heart-shaped balloon or a card. I'm full of warmth and hugs. Hi friends, hello. I'm an oval. I look like an egg or a balloon. I'm longer than a circle and very smooth. I'm great for drawing and playing. Hi, I'm a diamond. I look like a kite or a sparkly gem. I have 4 sides and sharp points. I love to shine and dance in the sky. Wow! What fun! Now you know all the shapes and their names. Which shape is your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn more with Cyntoons.